Acute management after a spinal cord injury refers to the crucial immediate care and treatment given in the first few hours to days after the injury. The main goals are to stabilize the patient's condition, prevent complications, and begin rehabilitation to improve long-term recovery. After a spinal cord injury, you may find it difficult to pass urine on your own. During the acute phase, fluid input and output is usually strictly monitored. An indwelling catheter is placed to prevent bladder overstretching and manage urine output effectively. The indwelling catheter is a temporary tube placed into the bladder that stays in the bladder to allow continuous draining of urine into a bag. If urethral injuries are present, a suprapubic catheter may be required. This catheter is not intended to be permanent. The use of a catheter can lead to complications, including infections and further bladder dysfunction. Thus, proper catheter care is crucial. Ensure it is secured to prevent movement. Monitor for constipation to avoid pressure on the catheter. Maintain hand hygiene when emptying the bag and empty it regularly, ideally before it reaches 2/3 full. Educate patients and caregivers about the catheter's purpose, hygiene practices, and signs of infection. Once you are medically stable, your medical team will examine your bladder through a few tests to identify the issues. Spinal cord injury can lead to either of the two issues with bladder. Either a spastic bladder in people with injury at level of L1 or above, or a flaccid bladder in people with injury below L1. The spastic bladder leads to spasms in bladder muscle, causing it to contract more frequently on its own, leading to more frequent urination with small quantities of urine. This causes incontinence, retention of urine in the bladder, and increases risks of urinary tract infections. In a flaccid bladder, the bladder muscle loses its ability to contract and cannot push out the urine, and thus can be stretched easily as urine gets filled. Hence, the urination only happens when the bladder gets overfilled. Sometimes, when the urine gets overfilled, it can flow back into the kidneys instead of coming out through urethra, causing kidney damage. Based on the evaluation of bladder, your medical team will discuss the best available method for voiding with you.